Welcome back. Well, it's going to be hot and humid, and no surprises there as we head into the weekend. Another pretty good chance of scattered showers and a few thunderstorms tomorrow. In fact, some activity overnight tonight, and then as we head into the weekend, rain chances should tone down just a bit, but rains will be around still as we go through the next week to 10 days. So let's take a look at the big picture. High pressure, the dominant feature just to our west, and we're kind of on the fringe of that high pressure system. And also, by the way, when we see a little bit of a northeasterly wind, you cannot count out at this level. This is at the 700 millibar level. You can't count out showers and thunderstorms into the evening hours. I call them the Atchafalaya Swamp Specials, where some storms develop off to our north and east, and then they ride south and west. And we may see again, we have this little bit of an upper level trough here from Louisiana on eastward. The surface trough is pretty much over us and along the coast, and we can see that on the local radars as well. That's going to be drifting back to the north this weekend, so the same boundary that pushing on through this evening will be moving back north tomorrow and then further north as we head into the weekend. So what do we have going on right now? Scattered tropical showers and a few thunder showers showing up across the coastal parishes down through St. Mary Parish and then Vermilion Parish as well. And there we go. The computer's a little slow tonight. As we take a look at activity over the last 6 hours, there was a pretty strong storms in around the Lake Charles area that produced a land spout, akin to a water spout, but did some tornadic-like damage right at the National Weather Service office just south of the 210 split here. Pretty wild there. And there were a couple of tropical funnels, but no major reports of severe weather. Typical summertime activity where storms pop up quickly, and when they do that, they sometimes produce those tropical funnels. They don't last long. They're cool to look at, and they generally don't do much damage. Lake Charles, a little bit of a different story, though, this afternoon. Strongest storms just west of Pecan Island, over toward North Island, and then activity in southern Lafayette Parish down toward right near the Delcombe area and Lake Penure. That's that body of water right here, and a few other spotty showers here and there. Here's that one cell that's by the Lake Penure area, Jefferson Island to the south there. Pretty area, hopefully recovering from that severe weather last month. Back to the east we go, and we still see shower activity across portions of St. Mary Parish and right along the Highway 182 and 90 corridor right by Patterson. Some rain shower activity, but nothing serious going on here as well. Scattered showers will stay with us more than likely on and off overnight tonight, but most of us will sleep through it. So as we get into the tropics, we're watching two areas. One that's right here by Honduras, by the Gulf of Honduras. That's moving generally to the west. It's going to bring heavy rain to Central America, the Yucatan, and eventually emerge to the Bay of Campeche, where I think it has a low-end chance of becoming a tropical depression on Sunday. Meanwhile, a better-looking disturbance here. Boy, we're seeing something getting going here. I wouldn't be surprised if this is upgraded to a potential tropical cyclone, or more than likely a depression, maybe even a tropical storm tomorrow, based on what we're seeing on the satellite imagery tonight. Now, the one close to home, this one has a low chance of developing in the Bay of Campeche on Sunday, and then this one up to now a 90% chance of developing. That's 95L, and if we take a look at the spaghetti plots here, this is going to be making a beeline for the Caribbean, and it certainly could become a hurricane before reaching the eastern Caribbean. Then it gets in the central Caribbean, and we'll be watching it with more interest then. But right now, no worries for Acadiana. Again, you see that tropical moisture moving westward toward Mexico. Here comes the next system through the Caribbean. This could become tropical storm, if not Hurricane Beryl. But then will it go into Central America, perhaps onto the Bay of Campeche? Compare that with the GFS model. The latest model run does put a significant system in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. So we'll watch it. Hopefully we'll have a ridge of high pressure near us to keep things moving along. But if you take a look at climatology, since 1850, I plotted up all the tropical storms and hurricanes that have formed during this period, June 28th through July 4th. And you can see just a handful of cells develop way out here. So this is kind of an unusual setup, but we've been entering unusual times. And notice most of the storms turn to the northwest. That's not a forecast. It's just a climatological observation. So we'll keep an eye on that system for sure. So tropical showers possible overnight tonight based on our graph model. I'll buy into that for sure. Rain chances tomorrow at about 40%. Things should quiet down into the evening. Then as we head into Saturday, widely scattered showers and a few thunderstorms remain in the forecast. So overnight tonight, 78 your overnight low with we'll maintain that 40% chance of a few passing showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. thunder, and then scattered showers perhaps in the morning, and then activity becomes more scattered in nature. We'll go 92 for the projected high. Getting into the weekend, I got rain chance at 30% Saturday, 20% Sunday, because we have models that are disagreeing a little bit. They both agree, though, better rain chances on the way again early next week. But all in all, typical summer forecast, hot and humid through the 4th of July and beyond. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more a little bit later on.